guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys my perfume collection, and a lot of them are from, really honestly, it's really from Bath and Body Works. Some of them are from like probably a couple months ago, but they're still good. They're still in good condition for the most part. A lot of them actually last long, like they last for like the whole day. Like literally when I get home I still smell body sprays. But yeah, obviously they're not really perfumes, but they literally last long like perfume. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys. Okay, you guys, so the first one that I have is Fairy Tale, Bath and Body Works Fine Fragrance Mist, and it smells really good. Like I kind of wear this time to time. Like yesterday I wore this, but this is good. I'll probably rate it like 7 out of 10. Then I have Champagne Toast, which is I got for Christmas. And actually I should probably put some on now, even though I kind of put like regular lotion on. But yeah, I have this. Guys, I think I need to upgrade more on my perfumes because I like to smell good. But I have, what is this? Sweet Pea. And Sweet Pea, honestly, yeah, I forgot. Sweet Pea smells really good. Like, guys, get your girl Bath and Body Works, please. And what is this? Delilah or Delilah? I don't know how to say it, but Bath and Body Works. And this one smells like a, yeah, this one smells like a rich perfume. Like, you know, like when you go to Macy's or what is it called, one of those nice outlet malls, you smell this type of like smell. Like, get you some, please. I don't remember the season of like when they sell these, but yeah, I need to upgrade on my perfume. I have Frosted Coconut, and this one, yes, of course this one smells like coconut, but I'm not really a big fan of coconut like that. I don't even eating coconut, like I don't like coconut. I'll probably like eat it probably once, like probably if someone asks me like, hey, do you want like to try coconut, then I'll be like, yeah, I'll try it, but it's not really my thing. But yeah, guys, this right here is called Everything Nice, Cookies and Spice Fireside Vibes Scented Mist by Pink. So yeah, this is by Pink. And yeah, it's definitely it smells like I said coconut. It smells like cotton candy. Like, get you some. This is really good. Like, and this lasts me like probably about what, 3 years. Like, it's so good, guys. Like, of course I have a Champagne Toast body wash that I got for Christmas. And then the Champagne Toast spray. Yeah. This one, hold on, y'all. Yeah, this one also smells like a rich perfume type of scent. So yeah, get you some of this. Also, I have Happy by Bath and Body Works, and it's called Ultimate Hydration Body Cream with shea butter. And girl, put a little bit in it. Yes, this, get you some of this too, because it smells like rich lotion. It's giving very much rich, and smells really good. But yeah, but I probably wouldn't wear it like every day though. Like, no, that's too much. Let's see what else I have. I have this Beach Flowers. Honestly, Beach flowers. Let's see what beach flowers smells like. Yeah, beach flowers is good too. It's like one of those rich smells too, like that lasts long. Okay, guys, as you can see, I have the rest in my hand, but this one's called French Love, and I can't really open them right now, but I'm just showing you guys the rest. But they actually smell really good. I feel like, okay guys, like I was saying, I feel like Bath and Body Works is upgrading now with like their scents. Like they're trying to make them last as long as they can. And this one is, what is this? I can't even see what it really says, but Love by Bath and Body Works. And yeah, this one's the same brand but in a body spray, and let me see what it smells like. Yes guys, this smells like strawberry mixed with like other fruits. Like this is giving tropical vibes. Like, yeah, this is it. This is really good. And then I have the French Love Cream. And I kind of like the design on it because it's giving like Paris. And yeah. And also I have this smell. I have this spray right here. And oh my goodness, I have to say, I don't know why, but I love this one. Let me show you. I'm gonna compare. This one's called Sea Island Shore by Bath and Body Works. I compared this smell with the Dahlia, or I don't know how to say that, Dahlia Bath and Body Works. This one and this one, guys, together they smell amazing. Like literally, if I were to pick like two Bath and Body Works like perfumes or sprays, like these two would be like my go-to. So I would say, yeah, definitely get these. Like make sure that you guys get some, because they're really good. Okay, so I have this one. Is called Twilight Woods. Guys, do you guys remember Twilight, the movie? Like when that movie came out, I was probably like what, 13, 14? Yeah, I was probably about that and that age, and I remember like my family taking me there to see it. But yeah, so it reminds me of the Twilight movie. I would open this to smell it, but I don't want my body to smell like, I don't know, so much different smells. So yeah, this is French Love Shower Gel. And oh no, and also I think I'm also going to show you guys like hygiene products as well. So this is moisturizing shaving cream for, you know, when you shave like down there or your armpits. And I decided to use the coconut one because it was just different. I usually try to use like the one in the pink bottle. I've tried the purple bottle, but yeah, I just gravitated to like the blue container. So yeah. Now I have deodorant. I know it says men, but it's deodorant. Like, you gotta smell good. Like you cannot walk around like not smelling like, you know. So then I have this big spray deodorant. It doesn't really, I think these are the ones that don't really have like a strong scent. They kind of just, you just spray it and it's like, then it like you know, it doesn't leave any residue on your skin. So I like spray deodorant. Okay, so I have Shea Moisture. It says African Black Soap. Yeah, it's a body lotion, and it comes with oats, aloe, or how do you say, aloe, I think, aloe, and vitamin E for sensitive dry skin. and I have dry skin, so yeah, Shea Moisture. Next, I have a Champagne Toast candle that I got for Christmas. And guys, the candle itself smells so good. Like, you guys, literally get some candles, because like candles will do so good for you. And this is face body scrub. I haven't really used like body scrubs, but because I have sensitive skin, but a lot of people have been using it, and I don't know, maybe I should try it out or use it as like an eye cream. I don't know, but we'll see. And then I have Jasmine, Night Blooming Jasmine. And for you guys that know, Jasmine body spray smells amazing. It gives off like a what is it, like the Japanese one? Yeah, the Japanese perfume. You guys know what I'm talking about. I have another mini Dove deodorant. My mind is not clicking right now, but I have Dove powder deodorant, and I love Dove as well because Dove makes my skin really soft and it lathers your skin. So yeah, I love Dove products, and it makes me not feel like irritated anywhere. So copy some Dove. Now I have coconut oil moisturizing cream, and this one actually, like, it's not bad at all. Like, it kind of smells like a little bit of shea butter, but of course it says coconut. But it's honestly, I kind of use this for my hair too sometimes, like if I don't have any gel or anything. This works pretty good. Now, of course, your girl has Johnson baby powder, and I really honestly should be using this under my chest area because I have sensitive skin and I sweat under there. And yeah, I should be using this for my skin as well. So I think I'm gonna start doing that as my new routine. And also powder, you can put powder down there before like you get a wax, and also under your armpits as well. So this is really a good remedy to use. So yeah, guys, so this is the last product. This one's actually a perfume. I don't really remember where I got this from or if it was a gift. I think I got this from a gift or something, but I don't remember. But let me spray it because I don't remember what it smells like. Oh guys, yes. This smells like, you know, like when you're gonna get dressed up to go to dinner. This is dinner vibes, like party vibes, like that really strong like scent. Like that vanilla. It's like, it's very mixed, like it smells so good, but I don't remember the name of it. Guys, I don't remember the name of it, but it smells really good and I need some more. So yeah, but that was everything that I showed you guys in the collection. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell, and you'll see more vlogs from me. Just share my videos, tell everyone about my videos, and yeah, love you guys. See you later.